The Buddha's teachings, as you know, based on cause and effect. As a human being, we have basically qualifications or abilities, mental powers. Using the mental powers, we should learn the Buddha's teachings. First, we must learn to know the meaning, what the Buddha taught. After that, with our knowledge, we can consider our life and our circumstances. When we learn Buddha's teaching, everybody need two mental qualifications. These two mental qualifications is sati and panya. Sati means mindfulness or remembering. Then wisdom or knowledge. When you listen to Dhamma, by means of mindfulness, sati, you should learn the Dhamma. To remember the words the Buddha used, the words. Panya Bhuvingamaya, Satiya, Pinsana, Vadarana, Samatata. Panya Bhuvingamaya, Satiya. By means of mindfulness, led by wisdom. You have qualities to memorize the word, what the Buddha taught. Sati Bhuvangamaya, Panyaya, Atha Vabodhana Samatata. You are able to realize the meaning of the word by wisdom, led by mindfulness, sati. So, sati and panya, mindfulness and wisdom, working together. Working together. By sati, we must try to memorize the words, Dhamma words. Then, by means of wisdom, we must try to realize the meaning of Dhamma. Word and meaning learning together. The learning affair is we can fulfill our learning. After that, we should, what the Buddha taught, put into practice. At that time, you can get the benefit. The Buddha's taught is a Sandaitika. You can see by yourself, not just believing, seeing. Seeing is a believing, what to say? Here, seeing is with the knowledge. In Buddha's teaching, Saddha and Panya, mutual controlling. Without a controlling of Panya, Saddha cannot work. Without a controlling of Saddha, Panya also cannot work. These two, according to Buddha's teaching, must keep balance, saddha and panya. If extreme saddha is strained, this lead to blind faith. If a panya become extreme, he will be cunning person. Therefore, these two qualifications we must use after practice. This is briefly, I advise you use sati and panya together. By means of sati, it's okay, may you attain nibbana.